the Hershey RV Show, and I'm here with Cam. Cam, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi guys, Cam Nickel here with Keystone Fuzion, and today we're going to show you the all-new 425. All right guys, so for 2024, starting with the front of the coach, you'll see here Keystone Fuzion got a huge facelift. So with the front here, it's still going to be a fully painted front cap, but you're going to see these integrated LED lights all throughout. So when you pull into the campsite, turn your docking lights on, it's going to be the star of the campground. So guys, for 2024, Keystone Fuzion is still going to be standard with your own generator, but that's not the big thing here. Let's move around here to the side. The all-new redesigned front storage. So it's three-way entry. You see you have tons of room here. You can fit your standard size cargo boxes, ladders, ropes, tie downs, anything that you want to take with you on the road will fit in here, and you have 3 points of entry. Bottom to top here, you're going to see Fuzion's going with the smooth-sided dual-tone painted skirt metal. But then working your way up, you see a brand new facelift on the side of the coach as well to go along with that front cap. All new graphics for 2024 on both the Fuzion and Impact lineups. So guys, step around here to the back. You're gonna see an outdoor kitchen on this floor plan. One of the things with outdoor kitchens on fifth wheels is they're generally too tall. With a drop-down kitchen here, even your shorter campers can use this thing with convenience. Moving around here, this is where the magic of the new floor plan comes into play. So it's just a big facelift from the Fuzion 424, now into the 425. On the outside here, you're gonna see you have a standard Vizio smart TV, as well as a 54-inch sliding door. Not only does that let in a lot of sunlight, but it looks good, it's convenient, it's easy for people to move in and out when you're outside on that side patio partying, watching TV, or having your kids watch a movie.
Looking for a fast setup solution for winter camping? Airskirts is the perfect way to keep cold air away from the undercarriage of your RV, keeping your rig warmer while cutting down on heating costs and helping to keep pipes from freezing. Airskirts are made from a military-grade material designed to resist punctures. It takes less than an hour to set them up, a time saver compared to traditional skirting or foam board. This is the quickest, most hassle-free option for winter camping, and you don't have to drill into your rig. The Airskirts fit snugly because they are customized to fit your rig for maximum air blockage. They also carry a variety of additional accessories to ensure a warm and cozy winter in your RV. Visit airskirts.com and use our promo code John and Mandy at checkout for a discount.
Guys, welcome to the inside of the all-new 425. So you're gonna take a look around, you're gonna see it has a very open feel, but you're probably wondering what this is doing very inconveniently placed in the middle of this living room. This is a stowaway countertop space. So it's additional countertop space if you need it. If you stow it away, if you can see right here, you have a completely open floor plan where if you wanna bring in a card table or if you wanna have kids sleeping on sleeping bags, anything and everything you wanna do, it's open for you to do that. But moving back here into the back, so you're gonna see cross conversational seating, but that's not all. This right here acts as a trifold sofa, so if you do need to have the additional sleeping arrangements, the dual bunk system in the back isn't enough. This is right here at the touch of your fingertips for you to use for kids, adults, anything and everything you wanna use it for. Coming up here to the front, you're gonna see Fuzion got a facelift with the cabinetry as well. So this is all new cabinetry for 2024 for both Fuzion and the Impact lineups. When you'll see one of those later on down the road, but it's just it's a more modern look, very up to date. It looks good, it feels good. You're going to get compliments on it when you bring guests over at your campground. Moving up here into the front, you're gonna see a brand new rearranged bathroom. So you're gonna have linen storage over there to your right, but then additional counter space for you to store your soap, your toothbrushes, your toothpaste, contact lenses, anything and everything you need to bring with you is all right there at a very convenient reach. You're also gonna see a convenient seating position for your toilet here, as well as ample amount of entry room for your shower, which is something that most fifth wheels or toy haulers lack. So moving into your bedroom, this is my favorite part because we went with a darker style wood. So the darker style wood really helps this feel homey, it's cozy. You and your wife are going to really enjoy sleeping up here. But that's not all. We understand the importance of having washer and dryer with you. So this is washer and dryer prep up front. Why is that important, you ask? Because you don't take up any of your garage space when you're bringing those golf carts, you're bringing your toys, or you're just gonna keep pets and kids back there and you don't wanna take up any of the room that they have back there. So you have enough room up here for side by side washer dryer. One key feature I really want to hone in here is that every single room in your Fuzion toy hauler has a Vizio smart TV. What that means is your bedroom, your living room, your garage area, and your outdoor patio all have smart TVs. It's 4 smart TVs that you can watch at one time. So with the access of Key TV, you can actually operate all 4 TVs individually. If you want to watch the game up here, but your kids want to watch a movie in the back, and your kids' want to watch a different TV show in the living room, you can do so with no problem. All right, guys, so one last thing before we go. I want to talk about the in-command system. So in-command has been around with Fuzion for a few years now, but we're going to continue it with into 2024 models. Why is this important? Well, I nicknamed it the marriage saver, and there's a reason why. When you pull into a campground, the coach we're standing in is almost 45 feet long. More times than not, especially on the East Coast, your campgrounds you're parking in are going to have trees on either side of you. So instead of having to back this thing in and then scream through the windows to your wife if your slide is going to hit a tree or hit a picnic table or hit the coach next to you, it's all accessible from the touch of your fingertips with your phone or smart device. So when you back this thing in, turn the coach on, all you have to do is walk around the outside and you can run the slides out one at a time from your phone. So you can stand on the back side of this coach right here, and if there's a tree in your way, you can make sure you have enough room to run that thing out, which is why I call it the marriage saver. If you've ever seen couples yelling at each other at the campgrounds, backing these things in and whatnot, let's start your camping trip off right. Use the technology in-command has given you, and you have a great trip. I just want to thank you again for joining us on this tour. If you're interested in this Fuzion 425 or any Fuzion floor plans, please go to Keystone's website, find a dealer local to you, and they will be sure to help you out.
Hi, Chuckles the Squirrel here. Thanks everyone for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that subscribe button. Take care everyone.